to my YouTube channel. I hope you are fine. If you're watching my video first time, please subscribe my channel, then press the bell icon to get notification of next video. Short haircuts are a versatile and stylish option for women looking to make a bold statement or embrace a low maintenance look. From edgy Pixie cuts, sleek bob, and textured layer, short hairstyle offer endless possibilities to suit every personality and occasions. Whether you prefer the elegance of a blend bob, the modern edge of an asymmetrical cut, or the playful charm of wavy or curly style, short hair can be customized to highlight your features and express your individuality, perfect for busy lifestyles. These cuts combine functionality with fashion, making them a go-to choice for confident trend-setting women. Short haircuts are a perfect blend of practicality and style, offering a fresh and contemporary look for women of all ages. From bold pixie cut to timeless bob and trendy shapes, short hairstyles are incredibly versatile, adaptable to any face shape or personal style. They can be styled, slick, and straight for a polished appearance, styles and texture for a casual vibe, or curl for added volume and femininity. Options like undercut and asymmetrical design bring an edgy, modern flair, while classic style like blend bob and featherhead layer maintain an air of elegance. Short hair also provide a canvas to experiment with vibrant color, highlight, and creative accessories such as headband, clip, or statement earring. Easy to maintain and quick to style, short haircuts are ideal for busy individuals looking to balance functionality with fashion. Thanks for watching. Take care.